Okay, we're going to find all the x values that will make this rational expression undefined. To do this, we have to remember that when we have a fraction, we don't want to have a 0 in the denominator. Otherwise, that would be bad, right? Because, for example, if we have 5 over 0, that is undefined. When we have 21 over 0, that's also undefined. Therefore, to finish this right here, we just want to focus on the denominator right here. And I'll write this down. We have to avoid the situation that the denominator x squared minus 4x plus 3 being equal to 0. And we have to avoid this situation, okay? And yes, I don't have to worry about anything on the top because, for example, if we have 0 over 3, that will be 0. That's okay. But we cannot have 3 over 0. 0 cannot be on the bottom for the fraction. And now we'll focus on this and then solve the equation, and that will be it. X squared minus 4x plus 3, we can factor this, right? So let me show you with the tic-tac-toe method real quick. We know we have to have x times x to get x squared, and to get positive 3, let me use negative 1 and negative 3, because x times negative 3, that's negative 3x, and then negative 1 times x, that's negative x. Altogether, this is negative 4x, so that means we are correct, right? And now, the factoring is x minus 1 times x minus 3. And don't forget we bring down the equal to 0. And next, we have x minus 1 being equal to 0, and the other one, x minus 3, being equal to 0. For the first one, we add 1 on both sides, and we have x equal to 1. And for the second one, we add 3 on both sides. And the second number that we have is x is equal to positive 3. Therefore, we found out the answer. We cannot use 1 and 3. Otherwise, these two x values will make this rational expression undefined. And that's it.